Are you looking for the best dashcam, but don't know which one to choose because of the different options that are available? In this video I will show you the top 5 best dashcams. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First on my list is Nextbase 622GW, the best dashcam overall. The Nextbase 622GW is a new flagship dashcam, and it's proven itself as the best dashcam you can buy right now. In our tests, it delivered much improved video quality and better stabilization, along with geolocation services for pinpointing stricken vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When we chose to shoot in 4K 30p, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Next is on my list is Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, the best budget dashcam. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dashcam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounting system. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin dashcam family. We found the setup process took just a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and socket joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dashcam securely in place. We found video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in full HD, 30 FPS with HDR, and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates. Whatever the ambient light and weather conditions, at 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest on the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. There's a button for quickly saving a portion of video, or you can rely on the G sensor to automatically detect a collision, and voice controls for functions like taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off work surprisingly well. Next on my list is Nixer Pro, the best for high-mileage drivers. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nixer Pro is a dual-cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nixer app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nixer bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dashcam doesn't record in 4K, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dashcams out there with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Next on my list is Vantro E1, the best for its inconspicuous design. Neatly designed and relatively compact, the Vantro E1 is an attractive dashcam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 FPS. It can also capture full HD footage at a smoother 60 FPS for additional detail while you drive. Results are sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing revealed that the optional polarizing filter reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustments limits its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a handy preview when installing, but the smartphone app is more useful to tweak settings. Driver assistance is left to your vehicle, but the E1 still has a solid set of features. That includes GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote for wirelessly saving footage. The last on my list is Thinkware X1000, the best for ease of use with large touchscreen. Capable yet accessible, Thinkware's X1000 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Our tests found a lot to like about the X1000. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, It's simple to configure. It can also work standalone, without a partner app. Both cameras offer a 2560 x 1440 resolution and a wide 156-degree field of view. We found that footage was dependably impressive, with plenty of detail and decent dynamic range even in dim and dark conditions. You will need to hardwire it for the full set of features, including parking surveillance. In testing, fitting the cabling required care, but wasn't too difficult for a novice. There's no Wi-Fi for cloud backups, while GPS requires an optional accessory, as does radar detection. But if you're looking for a stress-free and reliable dashcam, the X1000 does much to impress you. If you guys like this video or found this video helpful, please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in a comment. All the above products link are in the given description. If you are new, then subscribe to this channel. Press the bell button so that you can get notification of new videos.